Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace rotors on a Hyundai Elantra. Start by parking on level ground, secure the car, and loosen lug nuts before lifting. Remove wheel and caliper, support caliper, then slide off the old rotor. Clean hub surface, install new rotor, torque lug nuts in star pattern, and lower the car. Pump brake pedal slowly to reset caliper pistons before driving to ensure safe braking. Always work with the parking brake engaged and wheels chalked to prevent movement. Gather tools including lug wrench, jack stands, torque wrench, C-clamp, wire brush, and replacement rotors. Inspect rotors and pads for wear and measure thickness if uncertain. Clean and lightly lubricate hub contact points, slide on the new rotor, reassemble caliper and wheel, and torque to spec. Test brakes at low speed in safe road conditions to confirm firm pedal feel. Common mistakes include reusing warped rotors, under-torquing lug nuts, and failing to clean the hub. Use anti-seize sparingly on hub contact points and avoid contaminating pads with grease. Replace hardware like caliper bolts or slides if binding occurs, and always center the rotor before tightening. If you sense pulsation, recheck rotor runout and lug sequence. When in doubt, consult a repair manual or a professional mechanic for complicated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.